Fundrise is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows everyday investors to access real estate markets and deals that they couldn't invest in on their own. Through Fundrise, you can invest in either professionally managed residential real estate called e-funds or a diversified portfolio of commercial real estate called e-REITs. In this video review, we'll cover the basics of investing in Fundrise and why so many investors love the platform and investment opportunities. Hey everyone, this is Andy Hill from The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. If you're new to the channel and like what you hear, please hit subscribe so you're ready when our next video comes out. FYI everyone, this Fundrise review is based on our opinion of the service at The College Investor, what we've known about this company for the last decade, and Fundrise isn't paying for this review, and no company can pay us for a review, by the way. If you decide to open an account, we're going to get paid a commission as an affiliate if you use our link in the description. All right, now that transparency is out of the way, let's jump into this Fundrise review. The best way to think of Fundrise is as a private real estate investment trust, which is a REIT without all the fees. If you're not familiar with a REIT, it means that you are investing in a basket of properties. Think of it like an ETF for real estate. Inside the REIT, it holds a bunch of different investments in properties. As an owner of the REIT, you get passed along a small percentage of the income generated by these properties. Although Fundrise is not publicly traded, they allow you to liquidate your investment up to 4 times per year with a 30-day notice. This is different than publicly traded REITs, which allow you to immediately sell. However, for a private REIT, this is one of the best we've seen. So how can you invest in Fundrise? Well, right now they offer 3 ways. Number 1, a starter portfolio. With the starter portfolio, you can invest in e-REITs for a starting investment of just $10. You'll gain access to over 20 different properties in major cities throughout the country. You'll pay a 0.85% fund management fee to Fundrise and a 0.15% account management fee for a total of 1% in combined annual fees. If you choose to invest, you'll be in a 50-50 blend of the income e-REIT and the growth e-REIT. You should expect to hold on to both investments for 5 or more years, but you will have the chance to liquidate once per quarter. Number 2, goals-based portfolios. If you invest at least $1,000, you can upgrade to a goals-based portfolio. Fundrise goals-based portfolios include up to 7 e-REITs and dozens of properties. You can select between a balanced portfolio, a passive income portfolio, or an aggressive growth portfolio. Your mix of e-REITs will depend on your goals. You can find out more about each e-REIT, the properties they own, leverage, and gain perspectives on future growth and income right on the Fundrise website. Right now, you can't customize your portfolio beyond setting your goals. As with the starter portfolio, you'll pay a 0.85% annual management fee and a 0.15% portfolio management fee. Number 3, direct investments. If you choose to invest in an e-fund rather than an e-REIT, you're actually investing in a real estate project. You cannot expect a liquidity event before the project completes. Right now, you can invest in a Washington, D.C. fund or a Los Angeles fund. To invest in these funds, you'll pay that 0.85% annual fee and a 0.15% portfolio management fee, which is waived in select circumstances, but not many. One unique feature of becoming an e-fund investor is the First Look program. If you live in the area, you can purchase a home before it goes onto the market. You can use your investment in the e-fund as part of your down payment. We don't want to oversell the First Look program. You'll have to buy your house at the market rate, but we think it's a good program to consider. Housing markets in major cities are on fire right now. If you ever want to buy, it makes sense to peg your down payment fund to a comparable investment in your city of choice. You can also upgrade to Fundrise Pro. Their latest product is Fundrise Pro, which is an optional subscription, and it's made for the active investor who wants more control over allocations and strategy. Existing members with an account balance of $5,000 or more get grandfathered into Fundrise Pro for free. Those investors who have previously placed a direct investment also get grandfathered in for free. Fundrise Pro members can concentrate investments into specific funds, build a custom investment plan with your preferences, including setting a target allocation across various investments, dive deeper into the data with Fundrise unique tools to make better investment decisions, and the cost of Fundrise Pro? It's only $10 a month or $99 a year paid up front. And you can try it out for free for 30 days by using our link in our description. Let's talk about why most people love Fundrise. We've spoken to numerous people who have invested in Fundrise, and they all rave about the experience. There are 3 features that most real estate investors love. The first one, transparency. Fundrise makes it easy to understand what you are investing in. It helps that you can look at a picture of a property and find where it is on a map. You can also dig into the financials of every single property there is to invest in. If you have a question, customer service will respond to emails and phone calls as well. The second feature is lack of liquidity. Logically, most people want money easily accessible, but having money locked into an investment is a great way to keep your money growing. Fundrise has seen phenomenal returns, and part of their success comes from forcing their investors to stay the course. However, note that during tough times like a pandemic, Fundrise may prevent you from withdrawing your funds. Check out these returns as of late in comparison to public REITs and public stocks. Then there's their competitive advantage. Fundrise is a company that prides itself on its competitive advantage. They invest primarily in projects that have between a $5 million and $100 million market cap. They are too large for most private investors, but they get overlooked by banks who cannot accurately rate the risk profile of the developments. In some cases, Fundrise has an advantage because banks face such high costs due to burdensome regulations. In the end, we would recommend Fundrise as a great starter platform for getting started in real estate. As always, before committing large amounts of capital, do your own due diligence first. You might also want to check out some Fundrise alternatives like Arrived Homes and Realty Mogul. We got videos on those platforms on this channel as well. Well, enough from our side, everyone. We want to hear from you. What do you think of Fundrise? Have you considered this platform for investing in real estate before watching this video? And what do you think about it now? Please let us know in the comments below. This is Andy Hill from The College Investor. We'll see you in the next video.